Hey everybody, this is Robin from Roaming with Rover, and I have an update for you. So the Kirchner unboxing that I was less than pleased with the other day, I gotta tell you, I contacted their company, customer service, and I got this lady, and I'm like, is this Kirchner? She goes, yeah. So I'm talking to her, I says, I need customer service, had a problem with my order. She's the whole company. Her name is Kristen. It's her company. She does all the orders, all the packing, all the shipping, all the supplying, all of the procuring of product. Couldn't have been nicer. She knew there was a problem. She had already issued a refund before I even talked to her. And then we talked about some of the other items. She apologized all over the place. And the missing little thing of I just love these little things. They're so cute. Isn't that darling there? The little hanks. She makes these herself. She makes these out of little bits of scrap yarn. And she's got some coming out in spring colors. So she apologized. That was an oversight that she only put one of these in. The missing stitch markers are on back order. They are handmade by a group of children. Boy, I want to say she said autistic children, but I could be wrong there. But anyway, they're handmade by a group of children, and they're just on back order. And she could not have been nicer. You just hope and pray when you deal with customer service that you get somebody who's halfway decent. And this gal was just bending over backwards nice. And so that's all you can ask for, is that if there's a problem, they do what they can to help you. And she has gone above and beyond in helping me with this problem. Now, the actual yarn mess, it is what it is. I knew it was a tangled box, and when I told her, I says, I didn't even know what I'm going to do with this yarn. She offered to send me some patterns and show me some things that other people have made out of these tangled boxes. So, I mean, what company is going to do that for you? I'm really impressed. I am very impressed. And she has just gotten some new, very high-end Malabrigo and some different products like that on there. So, like I said before, I was very pleased with the yarn stuff that I got from her. And probably the only thing that I think would have made the experience better was if there'd have been a packing list or some kind of a thing indicating that stuff was on back order. Then I wouldn't have been quite as concerned about all of it. So I'm changing my opinion, and probably I will order again from her in the future, just not that tangled yarn box. No more mystery boxes. Thank you guys so much. I just wanted to do a quick update and let you know how things had turned out with that. See you later. Bye-bye.